Hey, what's up guys? I'm just down here. Oh, gotta speak to the camera. What is up, my dudes? What's up, my dudes? It's 6:30 and I'm down at Runaway Bay Skate Park and I'm gonna try and fly the skate park before some kids rock up with their scooters, so enjoy. I'm not even gonna lie, skate parks are pretty hard. Oh, that echo there. Echo, echo, echo. Yeah, skate parks are pretty hard because they're so, well, this one in particular is so small, so your camera angle's gotta be like, whoop, that big, otherwise you're just gonna be like, what? And nobody got time for that. There's a building over there and it's got a little awning, veranda, I'm not sure. I'm gonna go and fly that because this skate park's boring. Alright, that's it for that. Zombie apocalypse so all the people would Alright, so I think that's going to be it for me now because too many people, too many lively, active human beings. So yeah, enjoy. Oh yeah, give us a sub if you like my